And this is
Our first week of school was awesome. Thank you to all of you who participated.
Hannah. What is one good thing about this afternoon?
Ice cream!
What interesting booth did you see?
I found UNICEF campus community is kind of interesting for me. Yeah.
And why is it interesting? What do they do?
They did volunteering to children that have a bad situation, like a poverty and something. Yeah. So they did volunteer to help those children.
What is this that you're holding?
This is Gateway newspaper. Welcome back to University of Alberta. Yes.
So it's a newspaper for students, right?
Yes. I think I need to read this newspaper tonight.
Excellent.
Yes, and I think it can improve my English very well. This
Perfect.
newspaper.
Thank you, Bruce.
Bye.
This week's SEC theme is Student Life. We'll be offering workshops from 1 till 2 p.m. On Tuesday and Thursday, we'll be having Conversation Club. Come join us to talk to each other and some Canadian volunteers. You can choose to come Tuesday or Thursday, or both if we have room. On Wednesday, we'll be having an academic skills workshop where you'll get to work on reading, writing, and grammar. All these workshops are on the second floor in classrooms A, B. If you're not able to attend an in-person workshop, don't worry. There's an online lesson on the SEC blog. Where are we? Who was on this land before us? Right now, Enterprise Square is used by the University of Alberta, including the English Language School. But before that, it was actually kind of a shopping center. The Hudson Bay building opened to the public in 1939 on this site. But if we go back even farther, the Hudson Bay Company, which was a fur trading company, established its first trading post in 1795 in the Edmonton area. But if we go back even farther than that, there were already people living and working here. So the University of Alberta respectfully acknowledges that we are situated on Treaty 6 territory, traditional lands of First Nations and Métis people.
We invite all of you to join our board game cafe this Friday with Shona and I at 1 p.m. at the second floor classroom A and B. We will play some games like Uno, Jenga, Pictionary, or water polo. So remember to sign up. I will send an email on Wednesday.